Her feet and talons are huge, and she is an unmatched huntress.
That's right, that's what here she weighs 4.7 kilograms. And yet when flying at high speed, she's able to lift up an entire parade, weighing all the way up to 4 kilograms. And that is almost the entire Lord wing.
Well, now that's pretty impressive. But what's more impressive is their necks. Because they can go up to 10 feet wide. So we're going to take this stuff as a marker. I'm going to walk all the way here. This is about 10 feet wide. We can also go up to 20 feet tall, which is 5 times my height. Now that's a pretty big nest.
That's right, you know, that's a really big nest for a pretty big eagle. And you know what, Susie here has done a wonderful job. It's time for her to get back home. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give it up for Susie, our American Bald Eagle.
Yo, did you hear that?
And you know that's a lot of the big eagle, but where is it coming from? That is Nelson on the White Valley Sea Eagle. I say these birds are commonly found in Southeast Asia, and did you know they are one of the largest birds of prey you can find right here in Singapore?
That's right. Now, white belly sea eagles have rough undersides of their talons, which have them right on the slippery and struggling prey, like fish or even snakes. And in fact, they specialize in catching venomous sea snakes.
So speaking of sea snakes, I have a replica of a Venus secret right over here. And today we are going to watch Nelson catch just on the surface of the water. Right, Nelson, whenever you are ready, right over here. Here it comes, side and down, and...
Now I know that's pretty quick, and some of you might not have caught that. But don't worry, we have a replay on the screen. Well, look at that powerful grip of your mouth and a big round of applause.
Now we have a pretty impressive, and that is exactly why White Valley Sea Eagles are one of my favorite birds of prey spotted in the skies of Singapore.
But that's not the only bird of prey they spot in Singapore. There's also the Brownie Kite. So let's say hello to Rado! Look at that! Oh no, you missed.
Go ahead, one more time.
Okay, one more time. Alright, circling around. All the way there. Beautiful. Okay, Rado. One more try. Let's go. Right over here. And... wow! Now, Brownie kites are medium-sized raptors, but don't let your size fool you. They can still prey from a bird as big as Nelson, the white belly sea eagle.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, while walking around our parks in Monday, don't forget to look up into the skies. You just might be lucky enough to spot yourself some wild raptors circling around. And this is what they look like in the skies. So the one on the left is the White Valley Sea Eagle, and the right, the Brownie Kite. Now, it's easy to tell these two birds apart. Hello, Nelson, where are you doing this later? There we go. Right, so the sizes are obvious difference followed by their coloration and even the shape of their wings. So White Valley Sea Eagles, when flying, they have V-shaped wings and a wedge-shaped tail.
While Brownie kites like Rado here have M-shaped wings and a U-shaped tail. They're also much more brownish in color. All the way back to your bird park. Alright.
Well, and I do decide for Rado to make that goal, so...
That's right. Alright, Rado, all the way to your trainer. Right over there. Right there. Okay, he's waiting for a big round of applause. Let's give it to him. Okay.
and gentlemen, boys and girls, did you know that each year about 2 million raptors migrate during the winter from their breeding grounds in Europe and Asia and fly all the way to as far as Africa? Now, but that is a perilous journey, and many of them may never make it to their destination.
Thousands around the world are being killed for sport. So we need your help to protect and save our birds, or our skies will soon be empty.
Well, did you know that birds of prey are actually important to us humans?
That's right, they're actually vital to the health of our planet.
Right, well that is because these birds they help us to remove sick and injured animals and even get rid of pests. Now, one bird in particular helps us very well with pest control. And that bird is none other than now the government said these birds hunt never kill them. And that is because owls are masters of. So everyone join us right on Yogi Plaza to admire our lovely Malay fish owls and none of those species you can find once here in Singapore as well.
Now, Joe, you mentioned something about silent flying.
That's right, the silence fly.
That's possible is because owls have soft edges and a tip of their feathers, which helps them with air turbulence and reduces noise, making their flight as quiet as a whisper. They also have excellent eyesight and binocular vision, just like us.
Well, we got not only that. To top it off, the colors of an owl's eyes even tells you where they like to hunt. Whereas the owls with yellow eyes means that it hunts during the day. And those with orange eyes because it hunts during sunrise and sunset. And what about owls with dark black eyes? That would mean that it hunts during the night. And with that said, it's time for our lovely owls to get back home at corner. Ladies and gentlemen, can you wait and say bye-bye? Very good, let's get that ball of the cat. Let's get the party out. Ladies and gentlemen.
Now you have seen nature's pests and always, but there is another bird that helps us prevent the spread of diseases. And that bird is none other than the vulture. But vultures are widely misunderstood birds. When you see them on TV, they are portrayed as evil, circling around the skies with ominous music and a sense of impending doom. But we are here to tell you their real story.
Those vultures are nature's peacock, using columns and air. They'll fly and moonlight through the skies in search for carcasses, relying on their strong sense of sight and smell. The vultures they help us to prevent the spread of contagious diseases.
So with that, let's meet our very first vulture, Singa, the Serbian vulture. Now this bird comes from the Americas and are one of the few with a highly good sense of smell.
So that means that when there is a carcass lying around, the turkey vultures are usually the first on the scene. And in fact, bigger vultures follow them and they help to do the hard work of ripping apart carcasses of a large carcass like the one right over here.
Now another fun fact about turkey vultures is that they have freely acidic stomach acid and is as strong as car batteries, which help them fight this carrion pretty well. So with that, let's give her a big round of applause. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, keep your eyes on the screen. Now that looks like a scene of bunch of greedy birds competing and stripping a large carcass down to its bones.
Well, but what if I told you vultures are social species? They respect their place in the pecking order. So when vultures gather, there is a feeding protocol.
Let's meet our next guest at the feast, our African white-backed vulture. Now these birds are the middleweights who eat the flesh and organs of the carcass. Once the carcass is found, they will wait nearby before beginning their feed. But once they get going, about 100 birds will gather for the meal and strip a large carcass down to its bones in less than a few minutes. Now, once wildly found in Africa, these birds are now critically endangered.
So we have two more scavengers joining us on stage, and without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, give your eyes to right up there. And we have one more from the Netherlands. Now everyone thinks our margarine starts from Africa. The reason they have dagger-like beaks and eggs, nerve, and eggs. And of course, being scavengers, they cooperate and coexist with the vultures, joining them in the big feast. Now speaking of Africa, about 11 different species of vultures are responsible for cleaning up to 70% of the continent's area. So without these amazing birds, humans would be in a lot of trouble.
That's right, Joe. Because around the world, we are losing these amazing birds for many reasons. Poison carcasses, deforestation, electrocution, and even stress disease. Now, the only way to save these birds from going extinct is through conservation efforts. So everyone, let's take a moment to show our appreciation to these wonderful birds. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Well, today we have all best raptors and scavenger birds. Now these kings of the skies and the walkers of our earth. They are all a part of our ecosystem, a part of our earth. If we lose them, we lose a part of our planet.
So thank you for coming down today, and let's do our part to live in harmony with all. Predators on bridge.
So once again, thank you all so much for joining us here today, and we hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Right, but before you leave, let me share with you about the very next program happening right back here at the Sky Theater at 12:30 p.m. at the Wings of the World. Where you get to see birds like parrots, hornbills, and even flamingos. Alright? So don't forget to catch that right back here for the 12:30 p.m. Wings of the World. Alright, you guys have been a great audience. Continue to have a wonderful day right here, and we will see you guys around. Thank you, and bye-bye.